me I feel informed for me say, oh no, me not gonna tell no lie already. So no know that I go such.
So did Fabi take her microwave? I mean her toaster oven, or was it her whatever she took?
You know, I don't know about that part. She take her microwave chat.
Because maybe I could send Jaden a microwave, you know? Because how he gonna heat up his food, you know? But anyway.
Yo, Jaja.
Look back at
Nicki this, Nicki that. What's up?
Triple, do you know I already owe you 2 lions?
Oh Lord, that is wonderful.
So that might be the only word I haven't been able to stop saying. That's not good.
Nicki, let go.
Rose Wagwan, triple chat triple. Where are they?
There you are.
Did you say triple chat or chat triple, or you just said triple?
Well, chat slip out of my mouth and why? Jesus Christ.
Well, I'm gonna take Jake's off. Because that was added. But did you say chat and triple together at any time, or did you just say them separately?
No, me chat slip, but me not say triple at all.
Oh, okay. All right.
Chat slip one time, but like last time we get in there, I say, we don't want to tell me nothing, but it's slip out of my mouth. I'm gonna be honest, but.
Okay.
Why? Yeah, try one of the section chat.
Well, you know what? Since Ivani got to restart from scratch today, you can restart. But I wouldn't count it because you didn't say the words together. But let me ask you something, Rose. What's going on with Jaden and Fabi?
Them left?
Left your bros, every topic phone. Tell you, man. What here was, man? Tell you, man.
Yeah, man.
Tell the people, let me tell you. Bros, me and no send them no gossip.
Oh, they worked it out?
Them careless.
Oh, they in love. That's good.
Episode, I prank. The follow them.
But you didn't see me around the app, so they want to come something big, go viral.
Then which I want next episode that. Now look.
You look on them. Yo, they have to go, them they stay though. They have to go find something else. They have to go jump off on a rooftop.
No, that's
you have to go come with something new where we can say, all right, then you see. You have to play with too much, man.
Them not left.
You see, man, crop himself. To prove, say they left. And where is he would do? Man, go as far as crop himself. Why is he would do?
Crab up them.
Crop themselves, wicked. Call out police already. So, you can't look on them. Look on them if they want.
I'm maybe a triple now answer. What? Who not in ya?
Oh, man, I like triple at the
family.
Triple the panny live. Me never, you know, fit up tell I palm me, bro. You think me not crab in a barrel now.
Why you say what was a while ago?
So the game done already?
Tell me now.
You know, answer when Nicki asks if them left.
You blame them, the game done?
Just a year sent, she take microwave.
The game done?
And Nicki give me the tour, so she take with the microwave. I don't know Nicki know for me.
They want to come in a game, ask Nicki.
The competition?
Yeah, what could be my word?
I gotta think about it.
Nicki, what series so?
Huh?
You watch series or series?
I only watch one series.
Yeah, Jaden, that a series show them I don't know.
Oh. But are they really together? Like, do they really love each other?
Them not left. The people them not left. So what more I do now for me, you know, Nicki, as a nice friend,
Yeah.
buy the microwave so the next time when she come back, she can make the microwave stay back off your yard. So when Charlie forget,
Buy them which microwave. Rosalie, they tap your phone, shit, man. They tap their phone, shit, man, Rosalie, man.
what's
If
the
the room I tell
problem?
them, no go so, bro. But I write now in the room for me. Then see Jalen put zinc back on him saying then I get up. Why is he what to do? He come on. They nearly chop out him belly and he learn to put back that there.
Them not tell us them not left, me not tell her lie, them not left.
Jalen, if you tap them style, man.
Them not left, them even I say most, them not left, I work them there.
I work then there.
Work
When
them
they come with
there,
some new
them.
style, them pranking thing, they now work, Jalen.
When them crab up them one of them zero, them wicked.
Bro, if
Crab up them one of them.
remember then do if remember ask Jalen now not shame me, bro. That the youth there, at the time I rate him, Nah, no shame, you can't.
Jaden I come blame them, so look for the request. So you can't see.
Yeah, but them not left, them not
Jalen now
left.
no class, and no shame. You
Which
can't.
episode we reach?
Them the youth they can't hurt them.
Yeah,
But sometimes you gotta have no shame for this world. Sometimes you
What
gotta
I say,
have
I
no
left him.
shame.
Say me ain't come.
What I mean by prank? Jake, see the dinner 1 billion for 2 months, never tell me I left him.
Let me ask you, see me that request.
Last night.
See that shit here. See drunk yeah.
Man,
Hey, Drunkro.
Is it really too much for me to ask?
Hey, Drunkro.
So yes.
Drunk.
Drunkro, why you said the word Nam earlier?
me.
And you was referring to your own girlfriend. See, this is what I don't understand with you, sir, and Fabi. I'm gonna keep it 1,000 billion right now, okay? Even if me and my man running pranks, like if that's the way we make our money and that's our hustle,
No, we're not.
a man can't never come on the
Prank,
motherfucking
yeah,
internet and say, oh, but when they was saying she was namming this cock and this hood and this whatever, what the bomba clock?
But Rosalie. Remember Rosalie. Me can't believe I really think that Jake would have loyal to a body like that.
Jaden, this don't got nothing to
Jaden.
do with Rose's body.
Jaden.
Jaden, you get back the microwave.
Body, and honestly, Rose is
You
fine.
get back the microwave.
Nicki
Yeah,
Minaj, hold on, Nicki Minaj.
Yeah, me get my microwave and my wife.
Nobody don't want to give me the chance.
Okay, them gone back together, Nicki. Him get
But
back.
you can't watch them, you can't already.
We can't left.
Why?
Hold on.
They won't let fire to them match.
You
Mirage
don't want Jake's loyal to me. Me and
Young
Jake,
Bang, big up J-Bang.
I know me at 32. Me and
One
Jake,
Fabi,
me
big
at
up.
20. I know me at 32. Me at Kamala wife. Fabi don't loyal to you. Come on, she suck down a cocky and them fuck her.
Rose,
Rose, that's still not a proof of that. For me, a problem.
No, I have a pass screen a card, can't play now. She said, guys, me fuck him and suck him cocky. I have a pass screen a card.
Then she can't say anything, man.
No, then I say she says so.
So Rose, what make Jakes give you one now?
Give me one, I
Yeah.
want you.
Can you want me?
Yeah.
Yes,
You
sir.
want some man.
Yeah, me don't know how Miss Triple and you are friend and Miss Triple would never tell if you got Jimmy now.
Who am I got
You
you?
don't see how Miss Triple body look.
Me no want no good body. Me alright.
Jaden no call me name.
Me no want no good body. Me alright.
Hi, Nicki Minaj.
Yeah. You tell them the left. But tell us them the left.
So it's a prank.
Rosalie, you do bumbo plan, I may tell them, because you're that fall feet.
Me I beg the microwave fee, but
Rose, that's some
You
love.
beg some soap feed, dog.
me know them not left. Them the two them are serious.
Blame them, you want some cement for your white throat, because your throat fuck out.
I say I did me dog. Oh God, you.
Them not left. Me say do the crab up them one in their face. And say look what them do this and them say him with one white girl when pay and she with that man. Nobody no want them.
Rosalie, remember say you can't pay no man for fuck you, know.
Me.
No man no want fuck you all if I free.
Listen now, me can buy one dealer for Sheen $4.
Yeah, but you can't buy nobody a machine.
It do what you can do. No sorry for me not run.
What you want? You may never you say you want buy dumbbell. I be a them thing they want.
No worry about when me want buy for when me don't want buy. Me I take man for me at 13 a 4 time every week.
Oh, Scott.
So Rosalie, where are that two there?
Rather I take woman for them at 13.
Rosalie, pen them there.
Then let me say me am them.
So Rosalie, what make you name them?
No, block
Oh
them,
my
block them.
gosh, y'all,
Block them.
y'all,
Block
y'all.
them. Rosalie, Rosalie run out a prank. Rosalie dash her 4 belly and I come on live on a ball. And I say, oh God, me dash her 4
Why me
belly.
not
Like
understand this a
heart.
friendship? Yeah, then Rose not just there, they beg microwave for Jaden.
Yeah,
That's
Rose,
why the
not
batty
that
boy
kind of
can't
friendship,
take, man.
you know?
Man, look at what this batty man.
Yeah, man, a friend.
They must say batty man can't take me in a Rosalie. You
Exactly.
can't
block
friend
them,
him.
block them.
And that's yes, me no want a friend from him.
Block
Not the
them, remember,
batty
say
man.
never me make your born, you know. Or your mother, your father, you talk about. Yeah, make all of them money, and your mother still sell craving in your mobile, look at dirty work
Him
this.
can't pay him triple. I pay hype him work and look after people.
Big
Yeah,
dirty
with the
stinking
should be all
boy.
carrying by like
my
TikTok
money
boss.
have no loyalty.
Rosalie I be all carrying by like TikTok boss. It's a little dirty what this boy.
No, sir, TikTok, but no man, TikTok. No man, TikTok boss car all of them, everybody just so.
What year is
Isn't
his
that right,
car?
Rosalie?
TikTok boss carrying him at 2002.
Rosalie, isn't that right?
Wow.
Yo, Rosalie, I want your TikTok boss carry them bit.
1983.
You see here, Rosalie take for your mother, man.
Uno tell me phone no carry here now. What is phone no carry?
Me nah no care.
Jada, your mama
This
would
is
want
not good. You need to
I'm
stop,
yes,
Jaden. That's very
So
rude.
Nikki,
You're
you're
rude.
obliged. You're
You're
obliged.
rude.
Our
And if you
Rosalie.
don't follow him up, him can't say anything.
Nikki, you're obliged now, Rosalie.
You know that not hurt me.
You're
Supposed to take
rude.
my mother, man.
You're
man,
rude.
you have
I
to
don't
go
care
through,
if it
you have
don't
to go
hurt you. He's talking about your mother. He don't need to be talking about my mother.
But we
Listen,
don't know, man.
Jaden. Listen,
We
Jaden.
don't
That's why you
know,
ain't
man.
gonna win nothing. Okay, and sit your stupid ass down somewhere. Thank you. Bye.
All right.
While I chew my motherfucking food.
Y'all can't do that, you know.
Oh, are you my top boss? I'm take my mother, man, Jakes. Come talk to him. Hey, then. Come now.
Someone here saying gear bun, now you take him back.
Yeah, no worry about that. Talk what you have to say.
But me not see my cry for one video for Jake.
What you say?
Me not see a one video I cry for Jake, so they sing one love song.
I miss strip if you learn it from, she know if you cry.
No?
Yeah.
Remember
You should
your
put
ball.
that.
Remember your ball.
Granted, time I want somebody come back to funeral, me I call.
Yo, I was really chewing. Why did you
And
do
Nicki
that?
Minaj, you know what? Your voice. Me say talk, make them talk back to Jaden. Back, cause them a this yo.
Whom?
Jake says I look a big, what this big man? Me saying Kelly says it.
That's scary.
Jake said to what this man under Rosalie Batty.
Watch it. You can't this woman in a blame them, I not gonna allow it, you know.
No, me I do okay, I know where you allow, where I
Why is
You not
somebody
gonna
commenting?
husband. Who
Who are these people
why
he
make
is
her cry last
talking
night and me
to?
can't listen.
Me strip him, does a consume me now, but me, you know. You have to go past that.
Because she wanted to know about the microwave.
No, me strip your house empty.
Oh, yeah, me
Or
still not
outside,
in
me
the
a go to
microwave.
go lock up my car, blame them. What the rat, dear man.
Me still not in the microwave. Yo, blame them. Between me and still not, me strip it there upon you, so big, long time, you know.
Eh?
Long time, me strip it big, that's why, you know.
That's true, you know. A real thing. Me just start beg.
Blame them before me, ban, me strip it there, so big.
Eh?
The
Yeah.
day before the begging, said that part. I'm over TikTok doing live before Gift was here.
Ooh.
Is
Said
that me strip
part.
could have, is that me strip
Giving
could have seen
encouragement
future?
and motivation to a lot of people.
Jaden, give somebody else the microphone.
I'm probably cut him and put them and take it back.
But hold on.
Good
Jaden, you
style.
pop something today before you came on phone?
Give somebody else the microphone.
But when me, alright, but when me not talk, nobody else not talk.
Probably top take back and sitting there.
If me not talking,
When you see me sitting there, make it sit them
but
standing
if
there.
me not talking, if me not talking, I'm going to stink like Rosalie pissing. So you better me talk.
Jaden.
Alright, sorry.
Sit your ass.
I go to hard, alright.
Yeah. Jaden. This is what
Jaden, y'all
I
keep me
want. I
peace.
want to offer you something, Jaden.
Yeah.
Christ.
I would like to offer you.
Extra tongue. Voilà.
Excuse me?
No, man, sorry.
Extra tongue?
Sorry.
Extra tongue. Who you talking about? And what are you talking about?
No, like, because...
Extra tongue. Whose tongue?
Well, he want that more free
Because we have one tongue and would have more tongue. Alright.
Me no know you that. You man know why your tongue, Jaden? You know
No, me I say me have one tongue and would have want more tongue for one, you know?
To do what? To do what? To do what?
Consume.
To do what?
Consume.
Nicki, if you suck pussy.
What? I should suck pussy?
Rosa, are we attending Rosa? No, you see what?
Wait, no pussy clot. Wait, me have to check. Wait, no bomber. Me have to check back in the yard. Me have to go back a yard for this blood clot conversation. Yeah. What you say? What you say a while ago?
No, him say want the extra tongue and matter about eat. So I tell us I suck pussy my argument to matter about.
Who for pussy
say one more
Who for pussy in one suck? Who for pussy in one suck?
Fabi.
In better bomber clot. Say that.
So Nicki, where that half of me?
Huh?
Where that half of me?
Oh, I'm offering you therapy classes, therapy sessions.
So Michael, eh?
I want to offer you and Fabi separate therapy, not couples therapy, but separate therapy.
No, look.
Blame them too.
Hey, look a batty boy, no call me name, look a
Dirty blood clot, fucking, when,
look a worthless batty man.
Ping dirty looking batty boy, Jakes.
Man, for your termite.
Don't come me follow them.
When I stop pushing it in a Rosalie bottom, move a dirty blood clot.
What?
Jake said too much strong, figure lay down with that.
Blam them.
Blam them.
Now you made me just fucking lose a whole nother lion. Now I gotta send Ivani a lion.
But Nicki Minaj, and me alone forget lion.
No, that's a bad mind talk.
Call Ivani. Now you just got her a lion. Thank you, Blanda. Well, at least I ain't say the whole word, so that's only one line. Fabi, you got two new words.
So Rosalie, me can ask you something?
Oh.
Rosalie,
You love
everybody with them body, who look better?
Love Rose.
Yes, sir.
Everybody with them body, who look better?
Everybody will do them body look.
They might take people them TikTok money to them body.
The people them doing thing with their money.
No, you are buying cock with your money.
Blame them. So see, rather start. Anyways, let's it alone.
Hey Rose. Them back cock you buy with your money, you know.
They have a pay for me not born with, but you need to go fix your eye.
Alright then.
No man, blame them.
Me eye pretty. I all have a problem here.
No man, blame them. Yeah, pretty.
They like people with your dopey.
Your journey good?
Yeah, ain't good.
Who them journey?
That's him. I'm no.
I would your journey going up with them. They may taste like
You
that.
know.
I just made that too.
Yeah, they made that Rosalie.
Yeah, bumbuckler termite.
Left him.
They made that. And it, as Rosalie too.
Yo, Jake, a real waste man in a dog.
No, it left him not done.
But blame them after never him fuck your mother get you.
No blame them. And we run the world next.
Jakes don't know no.
You run round that Jake. I remember saying Rosalie has strong fight. Remember Rosalie alone you can't bad up in a kind of police and shit your pants.
I put it on the same thing. Put it on your school cap.
Stop calling people them name, bro. And put.
Jakes left him people there. Left him people there for me no want no problem.
Dog, I want to kill this batty man in a Jake.
Alright, don't know.
It's blam.
My name not done. Done not done. Jakes leave him and go on and leave blam them. Cause him not done.
Yo, Advani.
You know, change that topic there.
Left him the pussy clot.
You there?
Chorus clot. Oh, blood clot.
Nicki Minaj, a 2 times you said.
No, I said it once and then I caught myself before I said it again, ma'am.
And then you just say it again. You said blam, 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 blam.
No, I said blam, blam, blam. That's how I gotta say his name because I can't say the other part. You brighty? Yeah, see?
You're so
Yeah.
sweet. Me know you could hold it. I know.
I know, but I gotta.
So what you say make you call it? Him over here get trouble, you try to talk to him and you call it.
Yeah, because he's bothering Rose's husband, you know, for nothing. I don't know what's going on. He's just bothering Rose's husband.
Jaden, what did you hear word the gear?
Yo, Fanny, me not see nothing to you, because you come in a box and heal up Nicki alone.
What go on? No, the lion me come from. Me did up here earlier. My one start over, it's squash.
Oh.
It's squash. So you lose, because you say eat today.
Me? When that?
I'm saying nyama.
Yeah, you said nyam and the things them say you lose.
John, why people in my job?
Because he can't tame.
Jaden, I have a question for you. But what if you like to see that eat pussy?
It go like favorite too.
I mean, I've found video I mean, I'm sure them hear me.
No.
Not sure.
Rose.
You have a video I eat you?
What you mean?
But Jaden is not eat pussy.
But remember in the Rosalie, remember say and get only per ear, no. Remember say the fat them.
And I get old per ear and have nothing to do with nothing.
Yeah.
Can't ban to think.
No, sir, she not talk like you. Remember me go in the yard, you go piss around one corner around the think like that. Remember that?
I got piss around corner around the think like that.
Yeah, no, you force somebody's piss around there.
You got my yard that carry on one corner.
Yeah, you bring me on one corner.
You got my yard that carry go one corner.
Yeah, your corner.
Tell the people where you don't really come on when me really go on the corner, pa.
What me go on the corner for?
Me want you want me piss by you.
Oh my goodness.
Yes, you want me piss by you.
So I saw me so careless.
The careless body.
To make you go piss by me.
Then if you eat from the disabled, you must careless.
Eh?
If you eat from the unrighteous, you must careless. If you want to look at you have sense.
You like you have sense? Your body like you have sense?
Why
So
can you
Jaden,
stop? We need a moderator to mute them from his. I'm trying to just give the last piece of instructions. So I can go in on my bomber clot yard. And I can go in another blood clot studio. I can do what I have to do or go in on my blood clot bag. Choose it on I just chat.
When Nicki say?
Triple chat. This, that. Ras clat, Jakes, bomber clat, piss pan this, piss pan that. Miss say, how much piss can one somebody blood clot piss? How much piss I go piss now? Eh? Van, who you talking to? Let me block you. Cause I don't know if that was for me, but you're gonna get blocked anyway, boo. Okay, now. Thank you.
Yeah, go like saying never come, so.
Oh!
Yeah. I'm tell her to do it, you know.
Yeah, I'm tell her to do it for you.
No. Rose, let me tell you the story. Rose, let me tell you the story.
I'm telling the story.
No, let me tell you the story.
Rose, are you the man
No talk.
Are you the man follow Rose?
No, me not follow, bro.
Am I Blondin? Can you make me a moderator?
Yeah, moderator.
Oh, fuck.
Two lion. Me a con. Continue, Nicki Minaj.
Let me tell you what your new words are. I'm about. You see? You know what? I'm gonna deduct it from Blam because he's the one. Every time he's getting on my nerves, I gotta be saying his name. Okay, now you just want her another lion. Yep, I gotta find what I gotta call him now, y'all.
Blam, just say Blam.
No, I'm gonna say.
Just a throat goat.
You can't back you on a bad man. Dog, you know say a waste man, Jaden. Dog, you
This him bad, Blam.
bad man, man, no shame. When me tell her this, yo, I'm the amount of time me bring, bro, it don't make sense. Me agree with me. Rather say me top on sign. No shame.
Me no care.
Agree with them. And this drunk with that. You see them first thing you turn what them boy in no class. Man have you see Fabio used to come up in foot and go live. and get gift. I don't want tights. I make the people on TikTok look and dance.
Blam them, if you
Fabio
get...
used to make the people on TikTok look and dance to gift. You see me?
That no works.
That's a one.
Remember, I know blam them.
And the girl,
Blam them,
Nyama
blam them.
4 man on TikTok cock. And
Blam
he have the girl a
them,
kiss.
blam them, blam
Them
them.
boy and an ambition, dog.
Listen to
We
blam
can't
them,
argue with
listen to
them.
blam them. From my
Hey, boy,
mother,
don't talk to me, batty boy.
blam
You
them,
waste
can't worse than that.
Look a big waste man, batty boy. Don't talk to me, look a big
Your mother, that's
thing.
what I like.
You know, an ambition, batty boy.
Yes, your mother can't dash with you in, you're too fat.
Wait a minute, I cut off your mic. I muted Jaden, and then... Okay. Now...
But seem still a talk over there. Jaden, you mute. We can't hear no way I say.
Nicki mute me. John,
Yeah.
now go mute me.
Jaden, I have to give Fabi her 2 new words so I can go about my business, sir. And y'all fuck up my high, you know.
Hold on.
Yo,
then,
me never want to say nothing. Yo, y'all bumper clot fuck up my high, dog.
Nikki, about 5 times you say okay a while ago. So here what? Just make
Triple,
me
me
one
not,
of
me
my
not,
words.
me triple, me out of
Me
it,
don't
me
want
out of the thing now.
listen.
Because
Me don't
me
want
can't
5,
take
just
it no
twist
more.
up my word.
Me say, Lord, me can't take it no more.
Cancel the junior from me. And you not have to give me all of them like because 5 times, 5 to 6 times.
Oh,
okay a while
all
ago.
right,
So
fine. So you
cancel
left,
the
okay,
junior.
all right. You still got your 2 lions triple, okay? Can I go do what can I cuss everybody out now for 2 seconds right now?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Take a minute.
No, thank you. I just need to cuss everybody right now the fuck out. Every fucking body. Cause me I there, here, and me I try for work, me I try for do certain things. And all I wanna, first of all, this is summer school. People go to summer school because they don't know how to act in regular school. They didn't pass. They failed in regular school. They bring their ass to summer school. And then you expect them to want to pass and be good. But what happens with this group? They all just, them can't team. So I just wanted y'all all to see them can't bomber clot team. I don't want to hear nobody I call out my pussy clot name ever again. Wanna see? Wanna see people that say them do this, them do that? No, them can't team. Y'all say, oh, they like sweets, them can't team. I wanted to show y'all that, okay? So, now that we've established that, I don't want nobody else saying my name. I don't want nobody that named themselves after a white mobster or anyone else to call my name. You see, as soon as you call my name, things happen.
Who is a white mob?
Batty so good, Gatti. Got near mount your mother look a batty boy.
Yeah, they
So good you. Talk your mother you and don't call me name.
Get the boat for...
Black them, if you take him down in the...
Yo, watch out, him and them beat Gatti a bumbuckler, Maryland. Beat out him bumbuckler and take him inside. Gatti a dirty the dirty boy. Bro, Gatti used to rape off the girl. Portobello and Mobby. Gatti a waste man, bad man. A clutch chest
Listen,
a
let me,
batty
wait,
boy.
but what can I say?
Gatti got near mount your mother, batty boy.
NJ, listen, I just want to say this one part. If you name yourself after a white Italian mobster who was nicknamed the Teflon motherfucking Don, you know why? Because the charges didn't stick. The charges was not sticking for many, many fucking years. But how can you call yourself that when clearly the charge stuck, bitch? Because you was deported, ho. You was deported, nigga. Okay?
A mistake make Gatti boy, you know, because he mother go sell fuck run a backward and he condom go bust. Same like that.
Me just bumbleclot ear about her. But me I try to tell one of this. Do not call my name.
Why would I call her name?
Because when they think they are a white Italian mobster from New York, And the person was also called, the Dapper Don, because of the way they could afford them fly ass suits and shit, and was coming, with they hair just freshly did and shit like that. That was real money. That's real money talk. So when you comparing yourself or renaming yourself after somebody like that, yet you was deported. Everything done.
Well, got to call the lady. This I got to stop.
Yeah, we're going. Listen. Yeah, hear me, Rosalie. Got to know everything we're going. Got to know say a boss said brother Raymond make boss said there. And he come and call him and name per phone.
Okay, let's not talk about that. Let's not talk about it no more, guys, because I just wanted everybody to know I be minding my business, as y'all saw. And people just wake up out their bed and call my name.
Bro, a bad man.
And then when I say something, people think I bothered the person. And and that's so messed up. But now
I see them want you to see them. I see him want you to see them.
He been wanting me to see him. That's why he went and got his hair cut.
I never boss didn't want to get the line now. Him didn't want to lie.
I know.
Want you see him.
Dapper_outlaw said Nicki is too mixed up. Yes, now come mix up and I'm a pussy.
Come suck out Nicki pussy and move your blood clot mix up.
Right now me feel like more shitting on. Tell her boy don't need more.
But mix up, move your blood clot and let you mama say yeah the drunk them see man.
Yeah, because they on here for what? Do y'all know? Is this a church channel?
Nicki Minaj, them want you pay. Them want you to go up on them live, go all conversation like what you do with Blam them and send them gift. Or that them want, so true them can't get it, them turn around. If it was the other way around, them would have said this boy.
Bro, of course, no, he was
because you have your favorite of who you give things to. That is the problem.
What you said?
Because you have your favorite, you have your set of people that you support. So they don't like that. They want you to support who they want you to support, or they want you to support them. So true, them can't tell you what to do or what to spend your money or what to go. It's gonna be a problem. Yes,
yeah, and you know who's gonna be a problem for?
Come take me down no drunk.
You know who it's gonna be a problem for? It's gonna be a problem for them. You know who it's never a problem for? Me. That's my blood clot, Noah. And you know who is always a problem for? People who lie on me. They just don't know the history, but they'll learn. I don't like that. You can talk the truth about me because that's my truth. And I'm not afraid of anybody. I only have the fear of God. Okay? And respect, because I'm a married woman. I have to respect my husband.
Jano.
So, yeah. But outside of that...
Hey!
Outside of that, there's nobody on planet Earth that I fear, because when you really put your trust and your faith in God, nobody can instill fear in you at all, right? So when people see that you do what you want and you move on your own time, it makes them feel uncomfortable because they can't predict you. So, but when you make heinous, horrendous accusations about people and they aren't true, I'ma leave you to the universe, and we gonna see, and we gonna take it from there. Okay. And then we
You know my people come on TikTok?
Huh?
Yeah.
What you say, Ron?
I forgot to take him down, you know.
Up here, my people come on TikTok, you know.
I know, but guess what, Rose? Guess who else is one mad girl? And them never know. That's what them. Y'all can't tell that by now. Y'all can't tell that about me. Like, I mean, use your brains, y'all.
Well,
use your brains. Like, do I act like a normal human being? Who gives it? Like, like, come on.
Yeah, that means your head can't chip anytime.
Anytime.
I can run it.
Rosalie did say your body not do good.
I lie, Shana sister.
I watch woman body. Me and woman in a body story. When I stop coming so good.
No, exactly. XOXO shy. That you said it so. You said it so right. XOXO.shy said Sagittarius energy. That is very true. XOXO. That's the thing. Like how even for years before TikTok, they probably thought all of the stuff that Ivani went through. That people try to like shame you out of being who you are, and it confuses them when you really don't give a fuck, because most people say they don't give a fuck, but they do. So the people who really don't give a fuck confuses the world. They like, wait a minute. So and this is another thing. The more you tell us not to do something, the more we gonna do it. So when they have a fit every day, and it's like watching little kids throw a temper tantrum because they didn't get my fucking money that I worked for, that I had to stay in the studio for hours and write raps to get my money, that I had to build my wonderful fan base of people all around the world, from all areas of the world, from all walks of life, all races, all religions. When they see that they can't just be like saying anything and it's gonna make me say, oh, let me come off of TikTok, man. This is too, they saying I'm mixed up. All of y'all fucking mixed up. Everybody on TikTok is fucking mixed up. All of y'all wanna watch gossip and drama. Shut the fuck up.
Well, Nicki, I wouldn't, make I tell you this, Nicki. I don't feel like say TikTok mix up. The world mix up now.
And that's exactly.
The world.
Fuck, who gave me that word?
Everybody mix up in their own different way.
Who gave me that word? Now I gotta give somebody else a lion.
Eh?
Who? I just said somebody's word. Fabi's word.
Caribbean?
No, Fabi.
No, you just said my word. I want to Nicki Minaj.
Yes, ma'am.
I want the word.
Fabi gets one lion.
Yeah.
Well, the girls, look at how the girls is winning today, because, child, if I gotta give out one more lion.
Everybody mix up the two.
Nicki Minaj, look how them plus blame them every day for you. Say you only give blame them, eh? Look how them plus cuss blame them for you every day. And say I only blame them
I
like
know so I wanna get more gift than me.
No man, Vanya, you a say that man.
Are you a say that, Vanny?
Man, no bumper wall.
Well, Jaden, move. Go on, man.
Blame them forget cuss.
Me no cuss people too. Me can't defend me cussing in a bro. How are you, dog? That's what I'm here.
Say that.
Not even much. Yo, Jeff, that's suck your mother on top for him. I'm a batty boy. You look a big batty boy dog. You say, yeah, yes, man, you suck Rosalie pussy for money.
Yeah, that's what
I be 100 and 200 beg gross to go buy rum special. Batty boy. Suck your mother, Jakes.
You just say blame them.
I said blam, blam, blam.
I want to listen to Nicki now, because I want
You're not gonna get me to say it again.
Jaden, see me a try a thing and you come and say with fear handicap blood clot self. You want some lamp aisle, Jaden, lamp aisle. Go on, you want lamp aisle and look a porridge.
No never do our body.
Good.
Don't worry about me and my body. Don't worry about my body.
Right now, let me tell you something. If Rosalie ever do her body, the internet.
God come.
First of all,
Shade room, you reach Rosalie if you do your body. Shade room.
Me not do no body.
I got
Rose just has to change her.
Put that there.
Well, before Rose does her body, though, when she goes into the doctor, they're gonna tell her she has to still lose weight, a little bit of weight first. You know that? No, that's not a joke. I'm being serious.
No, I don't know joke.
They'll have to. No, for real. You'll have to. And anyway, she doesn't.
A lie. Not you, Nicki Minaj.
Oh, yeah. So, Ivana, you said body.
When?
Just now.
A lie.
Yeah, me jaw
when
out, man.
A lie, the matter.
Yeah, man, you say body, man. Me jaw out, man.
So instead of 2 lions, now you're back down to 1. Thank you guys for somebody said ATL Jacob sent me a line.
You're bad man, you look boy. That's why you can't. You're black and like tar and stay so, you know.
What? Don't say that, Vonnie.
You can actually see Rose picture.
What do my picture?
Excuse me. No black things are going on. We're not say that.
Jaden, I don't know where you use and grind your woman, cause if your mouth make you can chat. Cause you don't look like you have no odor.
Rose.
How you know if he look like he got
From last night, I know, Rose are pre-me, you know, Rose.
When I must look for you, I'm stupid, you don't have nothing at all.
Rose, me I pre you too, you know.
You never pre me because you're not my type.
Anyway, you guys, let me give Fabi her words, child. I gotta give Fabi her words. Where's Fabi?
I'm here, right here beside my baby.
See, and y'all told me not to give her that as my word yesterday when that was my word for her. Anyway, your 2 new words, Fabi, is boy, and what other thing you call him, Dobie. I don't even want to know what it is, but you know what it is.
Don't be.
Boy, and don't be. So you can't say the word boy, and you can't say don't be. Okay, that's it. But somebody won. Y'all won a lot of lions today, so y'all can't say I'm unfair.
So me you win? I don't know me the year now.
Well, because the word that you gave me, I didn't say it. I didn't say your word or Blam's word.
Yeah, moms.
No, Nicki Minaj, that a thief. You can't say the word Blam either because
you never said that. Girl, sit show.
Because if the word is Blam them, all you want shorten it to Blam.
Because the word exactly. Don't try to be. No,
me I make your pass, but it no
the
match
word
up.
Is,
you can't say Blam because it'll be unfair.
Blam.
You can't say Blam or Blam them.
Messy Blam. You never said that the other day.
I say no the thing they not say me you work with you.
Well, Jaden, I didn't say the word you gave me, and I didn't say the word Blam gave me. So far, the other people I did say their word, so they're good. They're good at observation.
So I'm not getting a new word.
No, your word is triple chat and chat triple.
Oh.
Hey, Mr. Rose, don't come online for that, you know. Yo, Rose, yo.
Because today, the time street come ever since.
Hey, girl, always go suck your mother. Come like you want to suck my pussy. You just live for me name in a comment. Dirty girl. Where you not going, man? Dog shit. Me know you're from somewhere. Stop calling out my name, girl. You're obsessed with me, dog. Oh, what? You fuck with me. Where you call out my name for dirty girl? Go on, man. Come like leech. From me up on the live and stop call my name. Love me, man.
No, man.
That's what I feel.
Always a girl where always a suck out battle and them things.
Every minute the girl just dip on my name, I'm gonna see her. Well, you can't take me out of the box. You want a box here?
At that time, always batty fetish. Like Batty story, I say him say I follow him up.
Who like Batty story?
Jaden.
Which you turn me on. What's that?
I blocked that bitch off of my page.
Yeah, I block people in 2 seconds, child.
Yeah, man, I block them.
I don't even give them a second chance.
Just block them, yeah, just block them.
Like, that's with woman, you know, Batty argument too much.
I don't know why Rose made always attack, you know. Why you made always attack?
Okay, I'm gonna do a real quick contest for the people that's in the chat right now. Who's ready?
Ready.
No, not you guys, because y'all too busy talking. Y'all can't be tamed. So, Maga, give gifts to the people. Them, they in here supporting us. Maga just give it to them. What?
Wicked man, Fabian.
What?
Oh, that Jakes?
Yeah.
You know, so Jake's like man, you know, me know.
Batty boy, man.
Why y'all can't leave them Jakes alone? He's not in the thing.
I say him call her Fabian.
Okay, Fabi, you got your 2 new words?
Yes.
What are they?
Yes.
What are they?
I can't say them.
Okay.
Good baby, good.
Set up.
Good baby, you're good.
Okay, so
Nicki Minaj.
yes, baby.
What is Jaden word?
Nyam,
Again?
nyam eat bati.
Swallow and chew.
Oh, that means
Rose,
I can't
stop
say suck
before
them over them.
you lose your lion them, okay?
Okay,
All right.
Cause you can't team me know. Now me know all of una can't team, so me just go on. Me no
We
know.
can't team. We ain't
Can't
got to
team.
we cannot say
None of
it, but
them can't
sometimes we
team. I
can
don't
say
see it.
cry.
I don't see so them
Move
can't.
on TikTok. Happy man, people come here.
Wait,
Well,
are
me
we missing
can't team because
anybody?
the amount of time you say, okay, I could buy a car.
No,
So I think I
already.
can team because you say, okay, every
Where's
5
Junior?
seconds.
Triple, I said it again, babe.
Yeah, but
Interrupt me when I say
don't
it.
make your pass. Because me want little Jesus because it is anxiety. Me have to ball it out. So
Yeah.
just give me one pass. Remember me give you a pass.
Yes.
You know, have to give me no 15 there. Just remember.
All right. So from now, from this point on, when I say it, you gotta just cut me off and let me know I say it. Okay? Well, you got yourself another lion, Triple. How many is that now?
I will last count.
Bigger some.
Let me see. 4 lions. Wow. Well, this is a competition for the people that's commenting right quick. I'm thinking of a number. And if you write the number before I finish the sentence, you already lost. I'm doing something real quick. All right, I'm thinking of a number, y'all. So the number has 4 digits in the number. There are 4 digits in the number. Hold on, y'all. 1 second. Oh, gosh.
Nicki Minaj, me know the number.
Yeah.
You do?
Yeah, Fabi, not easy. Nobody go do it, Fabi, man.
You fool.
You have to be jaded, Uber.
No, sir. Can't put
Nah, Fabi, jail one for true.
Who's that laughing?
At GX, that's why Rose have him as maid.
You can't be made,
like
Fabi.
Rose.
Them two dirty sin then I one house, man. They can't bomb up that house.
I hear them two dirty batty man, yeah. You can't burn up.
Fabi is a Batiman?
Yeah. How will you live? China. Iraq.
Rose, you're animal, you know.
Yeah, your woman is a batty man.
This is a big whale.
Yes, your woman is a batty man.
I first whale, me see live on land so long.
Yes. Your woman is a batty man. How would you say?
Me, I fuck it.
Let me ask you, know what, Jaden?
Yeah.
Jaden, I'm gonna give you a bigger prize than I've ever given before if you can go 1 week without making any jokes about Rose's weight.
1 week?
Yeah.
Jesus. All right.
Boy, Nicki, that me not think that gonna make no sense.
So Nicki starting tomorrow, right?
No, Nicki, you know why it not
Yeah.
gonna make no sense? The only thing I'm gonna use to try bring me down. It not gonna make no sense.
It makes sense, man. You know
He
what I
can't
mean?
say it, Rose. Him not fi talk about it or him not go get it.
Rosalie
You know,
look
me not follow him up.
No.
Not follow him up, you know.
I'm a local friend, man. No, sorry, I'm a big friend.
Hold on, come here, Jaden, come here. Oh, me never know say a Fabi auntie the car. Fabi the car your underpants with her auntie got tie you.
Eh? You do that for me?
Yes, I saw me see over
So,
Facebook last night.
so hold on, what Jake's use and tie you?
Love. I'm married for me at 20, I know me soon 32.
The true, cause I can't rope can't hold on you.
No, love.
You know,
Love.
that's true, Nicki, I tell you. This man tell me, wait.
All right. So the number is, so the person who wins, the first person who I screenshot, the first person in my screenshot that gets the number right, I'm gonna send them a line right now. Okay. The number is a 4-digit number.
2025.
This is for the people in the chat, Rose. Not for the
2407.
guys, be quiet for 1 second. Okay, so it's a 4-digit number. The number starts with 5. And the number ends with 5. And the two numbers in the middle add up to 10. What is the number? Okay. I got the person. Winner. The winner is Trap Queen Rihanna.
555.
9375.
55. Oh, well, somebody had it before that person. Tyler King. 4 5s. Who else? Oh, LP had it before them. Let me see who else. MK Green Card Boys. Oh goodness, the Frozen's. Name I can't pronounce. Christian. Okay. But the first person
Jackson, I want to for popcorn. I want popcorn.
How do I get to her? How do I get to her? Trap Queen Rihanna, type in the chat, please.
You have a send a request. You want she company live?
No, I just wanted a comment so I could go to her page.
I'm coming too fast, then now come.
Call him.
Let me see if I could do it. I'll come on for a second from here.